Do you want to grow your own plants before spring? It's super easy. Today I'll show you 3 simple steps to start seeds indoors. Anyone can do it, even if you've never planted a seed before. Let's get started. Before we plant, we need a few things. Containers. Use small cups, trays, or even yogurt cups. Just make sure they have little holes in the bottom for water to drain. Soil. We need soft, fluffy soil made just for starting seeds. Seeds. Pick your favorite vegetables, flowers, or herbs to grow. Fill the cup with soil and make it a little wet. This helps the seeds wake up and start growing. Time to plant. Look at the seed packet. It tells you how deep to put each seed. Cover them with a tiny bit of soil and give them a gentle mist of water. I recommend using a heating mat because it will help them sprout faster. And then when most have sprouted, remove the mat because they no longer need it. Write the seed names and date you planted on a little tag or sticker so you remember what's growing. Seeds need lots of light to grow strong. If you don't have a super sunny window, use a bright lamp and keep it on for most of the day. I recommend 12 to 14 hours and keep the light 2 to 4 inches above the sprouts as they grow. Your plants are growing, but before we put them outside, we have to help them get used to the sun and wind. Put them outside for 1 hour the first day, then a little longer each day. After a week, they'll be ready to live outside full time. That's it. 3 easy steps to grow plants indoors and get them ready for your garden. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun gardening tips. What are you growing this year? Tell me in the comments. See you next time. Happy planting.